Hello friends, today we'll talk about the results of fifth house lord in the 8th, taking two examples of two different places on earth. Here we'll be taking Delhi and London, and we'll be taking ascendant as Aries, and as the ascendant will be Aries, the fifth house lord will be Sun, and 8th house means it will go in Scorpio, the 8th house. And let us see the first example which is coming in front of you. It is 6 December 1973, 15:30 hours, and we see the ascendant is 20 degree 18 minutes. And the second example, again the ascendant is nearly the same, and this is London, 6 December 1973, same date. Coming on to the first example, we see the fifth house lord Sun signifies 5 and 8 because it is lord of fifth place in the 8th house. Mercury signifies 3, 6. Place in the 7th, lordship of 3 and 6. Venus signifies 2, 7, lordship of 2, 7, place in the 9th house. So this is what is Sun. So here we can say, if we are to see the events related to Sun, which it will give in Dasha periods, Venus, Sun signifies 5 and 8. Love affair 6 is there, so there will be misfortunes and break in the love affair. 2, 7, 7 is there, marriage is possible strongly. 3, 9 is there, long travel is there. 3, 6, 8 is there, so there is no inclination for education. Now coming on to the second example, we see that Sun signifies 6 and 8, lord of 6 place in the 8th. This is the example of London. Mercury signifies 3 and 4, place in the 7th. Venus signifies 2 and 7th house, lordship of 2 and 7, place in the 10th house. Now here you see the houses signified by Sun, Nakshatra, Mercury, and the sublord Venus are different. That to the first example. Now coming back to the first example, you can see the difference. So this is first example and this is the second example. And because the house's significance has changed, the results will change. The house's significance has changed because the lordships have changed and the placement of the planets have changed in the houses. Here you see that 3, 6, 8 again, the inclination for education is there, not there. 2, 4 is there, education will be there a bit. Marriage is possible strongly, but love affair is not there. Professional life is better because 10th house is signified in the sublord, which was not there in the previous example. All this difference is because there is difference in nature. Why the difference in nature is because the latitudes are different. Same you take for other cities, you will find that the results of other cities will be different, and that is because the latitudes are different. You can try it for Australia, some city in Australia, maybe Melbourne or Sydney or whatever, and same way you can go for South Africa or some place in South America like Brazil or Rio de Janeiro or whatever, and you will find that the result of Sun is changed, although the ascendant degree remains the same. This can be easily understood by Nadi astrology, but in traditional astrology, people are writing books that fifth house lord goes in the 8th. The result will be X, Y, or Z. So that is totally negative approach in astrology because the results will never come like that. This way you will be able to understand it better, and you are not to remember anything, you are just to see the houses significance, and you know the houses significance. And if you know the Nadi astrology formulas of events, you can do better. So if you have any suggestions, write to me, and if you want to know the inside of these things more, the inside of Nadi astrology more, you can write to me again, I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.